In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Adobe Acrobat Reader on Android. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's really easy to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally any Android device you have. But all you want to do is go over to your Play Store. Then on the bottom, you're going to see the search icon. Go ahead and click on that, then go to Search Apps and Games at the top, and then type in Adobe Acrobat like so, and you're going to see Adobe Acrobat Reader as the first option, of course. Then it's going to look like this, and all you want to do is go ahead and press the install button right there. It's then going to be installing. Now it's only 56 megabytes, but if you have slow internet, it might take a bit longer. And then from here, it's going to be, for one, it's going to be like, in your app selector. So if I go here, as you can see, Adobe Acrobat's right there. I can add it to home if I want to, or I can just go ahead and open it up, and it's going to ask you to sign in, and then you'll be able to use it in whichever way you want, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something that you don't know about yet.